everyone, Sasha here from HomeDesigns.AI. In today's video, I'll show you how I turn a dull, underused backyard into a stunning spring oasis. Let's dive right in. Before we start designing, I need to clean up the space. Using the furniture removal tool, I uploaded a photo of my backyard and highlighted the old furniture and some faded decor I no longer want. The brush tool makes this super simple, so just highlight the items and within seconds the AI removes them, leaving a fresh, open space to design from. Now for the fun part, clicking on the edit icon, I chose the redesign mode because I want changes to the entire space and selected garden as the area type. Now for the garden type, I selected backyard. Then from the style options, I picked Mediterranean, which is all about warm, earthy tones, natural materials, stone textures, and that iconic indoor-outdoor living feel. For the mode, I'm using Perfect Redesign Mode to create a cohesive look while maintaining the layout of the yard. I want to keep the structural elements, medium AI intervention. So let's generate the result. Take a look at this transformation. A textured stone patio replaces the old ground, giving it that rustic sun-baked charm. Now to transform this space into even more a backyard spring oasis, I used the Precision Plus tool for the lighting. So I highlighted the lights and gave the AI a prompt to change them to string lights. The tool refined it instantly and gave the space more charm and personality. Now let's go a step further with the colours and textures tool. I highlighted the cushions and chose this stunning blush colour, perfect for spring. Little changes like this really do bring the design together and makes the space feel ready for spring. Now let's add a final touch. This area looks a bit bare here, so I'm going in with the fill spaces mode to highlight the empty space, and I'll prompt the AI in the additional instructions box to add a mini waterfall, and I'm just increasing the level of AI intervention. A small fire pit will also look great here. Let's see how it turns out. Here's a side-by-side of the transformation from a plain backyard to a stunning backyard oasis for spring. This space is now perfect for spring dinners, morning coffee, or just soaking in the sun with a book. HomeDesigns.AI made it incredibly easy to visualize and create this transformation. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need any further support, our team is here to help. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials for a detailed overview and breakdown of the different modes available on HomeDesigns.AI.